I made this app with the help of threads and couple of other functions. So if you look here, there's this text view at the top. There's this timer which goes from 10 to 0, and after 0 you get to see Ryan. So Ryan will be back. Just wait for some time, and after 10 seconds, there's this picture of Ryan, and there's a text view which says, "Oh look, he's coming." So now we'll go to our Android Studio and see how to make this happen. So first we'll go to the activity main and make the layout for this. Another text view which will be for the timer. Two text views are done. Now let's keep width and height as 300 dp. Got the Ryan's photo here. We will keep the visibility as invisible right now because we will be changing this visibility dynamically through our program. Let's maintain some margin. So this looks fine. You can see the visibility is invisible right now. ID will be IMG. And then finally the last text view. Oh look, he's coming. Again, visibility will be invisible, and ID we will keep as txt. Yeah, this is done. Now you can see both the image view and text view are invisible because we have set it like that. Now let's go to the main activity. Here the first thing that we need to do is to define a handler class and its object. Handler class helps us to handle the threads, as you will see here. So we made the declarations. Now we go into the onCreate method and start defining them. Image, this should have been the timer. Definitions are done. After this, we will have to call post delayed method, in which we mention our run method and give a delay of 1000 milliseconds. We will define it below, and then it will get clearer. So what we do here is we make a run method of we make a run object of runnable class. And here we mention our method update timer here. So we call this method every time this runnable interface runs. And after this, we are going to define run update time method. First, we'll have to convert the text finally into string. And from that, we will, this is integer dot, this is fine. From there, we negate one, sorry. Yeah, so we deduct one from this so that we keep going from 10 to 0. Yeah, and then after this, we also need to figure out if integer is, if the timer has reached 0, in that case what needs to be done. this is the case, then so basically we have traversed from 10 to 0, then image should show up, right? So that is what we will make it happen here. We will set its visibility to visible, and at the same time we will also set the visibility of text view as visible. Else we will again call and post delayed. And this is the 1000 millisecond, which bring the delay of 1 second. Yeah, everything looks fine now. Now we can run this on our mobile device. So just to have a summary of whatever we did here. Here we defined a handler class. We called a handler class and made an object out of it. And these are now self-explanatory. Handler class basically helps us to handle the threads that we are going to run. Here we defined the handler object with run and 1000. So basically post delayed is it causes the runnable run to be added to the queue to be run after specified amount of time elapses. The runnable runs on the thread to which handler is attached, right? Here I'm making that runnable run, and every time the run method is called, the update timer methods get called. And finally here update timer method is defined here, wherein I am reducing the value of set timer text view with 1 every time this method gets called. And in case the value becomes 0, then I make image view and text view visible. Otherwise I again call this method hand.postDelayed run comma 1000, right? So this is how it was done. Now I will show you what happens when this app is run on our mobile device. So I ran this app on my mobile device, and as you can see the text timer is going from 10 to 0, and as the timer becomes 0 it should show the image. Yes, it does show the image, and there's a text view also because the invisibility has been replaced by visibility dynamically. And so this is what about threads was. Now see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.